Hi, thanks for joining me for this speech tracer tutorial. The purpose of this tutorial is to teach you about the different types of flashcards in Speech Tracer. I am going to guide you through the steps described in CompleteSpeech's orientation task number 5, which is available on our website www.completespeech.com. To get started, go to the home screen and press the Select Word List button. Immediately in the word list selection screen, we can see that there are many different word lists. Speech Tracer contains over 200 flashcards. Because the pronunciation of the R sound varies slightly depending on the sounds around it, the flashcards are organized into different categories. These different categories, you can see on these tabs at the top of the screen, are based on where the R is located in a word and what sounds come before or after it. In the Initial tab, we can see lists that have the R sound at the beginning of the word, in the first syllable, or have an R blend at the beginning of the word. Medial R lists have the R sound in the middle of the word, and final R lists have the R sound at the end of the word. Beneath the button for each list is a sample word for what kind of word is contained in that list. For example, a final OR word list word is door. A final IR word list sample is fire. We are going to select a few lists and look at the differences in one of the practice screens. Let's select Initial R, Medial OR, and Final IR. Once we've selected those lists, we can see that the button turns green. Then we can press the Start button. Select a meter by pressing one of the round meter buttons and press Begin. Take a minute and swipe through all of the flashcards that we've selected. We can see that all of the initial R words have the letter R, or the R sound, as the first sound. When we get to the next list, we can see that the OR sound is in the middle of the word. And finally, we can see that the final IR words have IR at the end of the word. Practicing the R sound in different word contexts is important to helping you develop the ability to pronounce the R sound in normal speech. It's important to understand how these word lists are organized so that you can make appropriate decisions for what words to practice or to help your child or client improve his or her articulation. These word lists will be discussed in more detail in other curriculum tutorial videos. Now, let's go back to the home page and look at the QuickStart word list. Press the Home button in the top right corner. In previous tutorial videos, we used the QuickStart word list because it is quick and easy to access. But now we are going to discuss what it actually contains. Go ahead and press the QuickStart button to get started, and then select a meter. The QuickStart word list is a collection of 24 flashcards that contain R words from a wide variety of R word lists. Initial, medial, final, R, vocalic R, and R blends. The QuickStart flashcard list uses a diverse combination of words so that you can practice the R sound in multiple settings. It is useful to help you get started quickly if you aren't sure what word lists you should focus on, and if you want to identify difficult types of R words. The QuickStart word list is also used in the Speech Tracer curriculum exercise number 1, which is available on our website. Thanks for watching.